Hello everyone, welcome to analytical classes. Today's video is about financial functions. So in financial functions, today we are going to see how to calculate the NPV in Excel. So what is NPV? It is a financial metric which is used to evaluate the profitability of investment or a project. It calculates the present value of future cash flow discounted at a specific rate minus the initial investment. So let's assume you have a business, you have invested some amount in it, and the following 3-year future prediction is that you will return rupees X in first year, Y in second year, and Z in third year. So at present moment you want to analyze that whether this business will be profitable or not. So for that NPV is used. In this case, the future cash flows are discounted to give you the present scenario, the present value of all the investment. Rate, the discount rate per period, means annual interest rate. Value 1, value 2, which is used in this formula, are the future cash flows. So let's see it using an example. You invest in a project that returns the following cash flow: year 1 500, 2 600, 3 700. Assuming your required rate of return is 10% and initial investment in business is 1000. So calculating NPV will ask for you the rate, discount rate, comma, the value 1, value 2, value 3. So we are using the values, and closing the parenthesis will give us the present NPV, net present value is 1476. But for calculation you have to minus the initial investment. So looking from today's perspective, we are in the profit of 476.33. So if the NPV is positive, the business would be profitable. Business is going to give you profit, and if it is giving minus answers, if it is giving negative answers, then it means the business will give us the loss. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.